guys, it's Crystal here, and today it is Sunday, so I'm gonna be filming like a Sunday afternoon vlog. It's already 4:15, so I just straightened my hair. Now I'm going to do my makeup, and then I'm going to do a little unboxing for you guys from this online thrift store that my friend started, Carmelli. I'm really excited to like show it to you, and then I'm going to be shooting content for it, and then we'll just like where the night takes us. I think I have like a sorority card cab meeting, so you can come to that.
Why am I so afraid just to say a hello? Hey. Or to pick up the phone just to say what is up?
I had to pause it. I was watching The Politician. If you guys watch that show, I know I'm late to the bandwagon, but I always am to literally everything. So here's my face. It looks the same. Actually it looks a little bit better. Gonna do the unboxing. Okay, so these are the two bags of things I ordered, and they're both from, I don't know what company this is called, but they're both like 100% compostable, like in your backyard, and I think that's completely amazing. And I'm excited to like home compost it. Maybe I'll like document it on my Instagram or something. Okay, so I'm just gonna be doing an unboxing. So this is my first package, and I remember I got like some pants and I think a shirt and maybe something else. Let's go through packaging. She is my friend, but I am gonna be honest, so we'll have to see. So I did order this way before. So the great thing about Carmelli is that every purchase, 35% goes to a nonprofit, but it gets you to a nonprofit of your choice. So for these pants, I decided to donate to the ACLU, and then I did a separate order of jeans and a top, and I donated to the National Immigration Law Center. So that's exciting. And then it's just like under some like tissue paper. And then I got these Wrangler jeans. And then look at this tag, guys. Yeah, so it says Carmelli and it's super cute. And then I got these plaid pants that she featured in a TikTok. Well, it's in her sister's TikTok and it went viral. So I'm excited to have these, especially for fall. Like, I'm winning. And then the last thing I got is this shirt. It's like this. It's kind of like, it's transparent-ish, not translucent-ish. So you wear it with like a good bra. Thank you again. With love, Carmel. Thank you. So next I have this package, and this one's more recent. This one was like last week or the week, I think the week before last. I'm sweating. Ooh, the update, guys. This is really cute, actually. This is really cute. So I got this blazer from Express. Still has the tag on it. Not the tag from Express, but like the Carmelli tag. And it's this blazer, and I really hope that it fits because I'm really sad if I have to return it. But try on haul, let's go. The life of an aspiring influencer slash college student. I'm trying to decide whether I actually want to do a try on like haul for you guys. I am going to be taking pictures and everything. I'm just trying to like, right now I'm on Pinterest trying to see like what would look good. I am limited to my neighborhood because I don't want to go anywhere. But these are the jeans. They're like Wrangler jeans. They fit pretty good. I gained a little bit of weight since I bought them, but you know, I kind of want to lose that weight actually, so I'm just gonna try to do my hair real quick. I really want to do those like clip hairstyles. I have this like claw clip. I'm gonna try, but really like I'm not expecting too much. Okay, I fixed it enough. It'll fit, and I ended up having to just use like a scrunchie. Look, I need a hard hit. This is the blazer. It fits pretty good. Yeah, so this is it. And these are the jeans. This is the mask.
Baby shampoo, and come and save me. I've been missing lady luck ever since she started hating. I've been waking up too early. I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars from different places, and the phases we call love won't ever start to change. But do you ever wake up feeling like everything is strange? We should buy a one-way ticket and board onto a plane and fly it straight into a black hole somewhere out in outer space.